Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but of a different sort. I have just picked up all my bits from my Honda ST1100 Pan European from the powder coaters. And we're going to be unwrapping them together and find out what they all look like and how well it looks. So bear with me. So this is one of the engine bars. Protection bars, crash bars. Put that down there. Okay. This is obviously the side stand. It's like Christmas. Nice looking side stand. Some light over here. The bag. Okay. We have the rack. Again, looking lovely. The rack mount frame. Good. Second engine crash bar. Look at the sand and sand blaster in them. Centre stand. This was in quite poor condition, so if they've done anything with this, it'd be amazing. Wow. These will be treated with wax oil inside of them. Look at that. Lovely job. So I will spray in a bit wax oil inside of these to help prevent the corrosion. So that's that. Keep it. This will be the cross member of the frame. Go, cross member of the frame. Looking lovely there. And this is the fair and stay. Great. And now for the piece de la resistance. I'll be right back with you. Right, here we have the piece de la resistance. Obviously, doing this in my living room, so not a lot of space. So, can't get it all in, but let's have a look. Wow. Look at that. Let's pick this up. There we go. Lovely and shiny. Even all the threads are nice and clean. And there's my wheels that he's done as well, number 8. Good. So there we go.